Torrential slide value equivalent to $13.9000 a coin. The present reach, $13.7500. $14.1200. The earlier day close, $13.8100. The change was plus 0.0900. Plus 0.65%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset, cost at $13.02. Greatest cost $15.99. Least cost $11.95. The normal for the month $13.80. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.24. Change for July 9.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Before all else, cost at $14.24. Most extreme cost $16.53. Least cost $13. The normal for the month $14.61. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $14.68. Change for August 3.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at $14.68. Greatest cost $14.68. Least cost $12.60. The normal for the month $13.88. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $13.55. Change for September 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with, cost at $13.55. Greatest cost $13.55. Least cost $10.58. The normal for the month $12.27. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $11.38. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $11.38. Greatest cost $11.75. Least cost $10.21. The normal for the month $11.08. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.98. Change for November 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $10.98. Most extreme cost $12.21. Least cost $10.61. The normal for the month $11.30. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $11.41. Change for December 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $11.41. Greatest cost $11.41. Least cost $9.21. The normal for the month $10.48. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $9.90. Change for January 13.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $9.90. Greatest cost $12.28. Least cost $9.90. The normal for the month $10.89. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $11.48. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $11.48. Most extreme cost $11.48. Least cost $8.97. The normal for the month $10.39. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $9.64. Change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Initially cost at $9.64. Most extreme cost $9.64. Least cost $7.53. The normal for the month $8.73. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $8.10. Change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $8.10. Most extreme cost $9.72. Least cost $8.10. The normal for the month $8.75. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $9.08. Change for May 12.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $9.08. Most extreme cost $9.08. Least cost $7.59. The normal for the month $8.48. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.16. Change for June 10.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $8.16. Most extreme cost $8.16. Least cost $6.37. The normal for the month $7.39. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.85. Change for July 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. To start with cost at $6.82. Greatest cost $8.26. Least cost $6.82. The normal for the month $7.41. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.72. Change for August 13.2%. USD to Avax swapping scale equivalent to 0.0719 torrential slides per $1. The present reach, 0.0708, 0.0727. The earlier days nearby, 0.0724. Change for now 0.0005, 0.69%. USD to Avax expectations for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.077 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.084. Least 0.063. The normal for the month 0.074. The United States dollars to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.070. Change for July 9.1%. Dollar to torrential slide estimate for August 2023. Initially cost at 0.070 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.077. Least 0.060. The normal for the month 0.069. The United States dollars to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.068. Change for August 2.9%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at 0.068 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.079. Least 0.068. The normal for the month 0.072. The United States dollars to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.074. Change for September 8.8%. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.074 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.095. Least 0.074. The normal for the month 0.083. The United States dollars to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.088. Change for October 18.9%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at 0.088 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.098. Least 0.085. The normal for the month 0.091. The United States dollars to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.091. Change for November 3.4%. Dollar to torrential slide figure for December 2023. To start with cost at 0.091 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.094.